Doors opening. Floor 5.
Okay, here we are. Here we are, and here's the door.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
So it's actually like 45 degrees Celsius today, and I'm in a glass room on the top of a building looking at a 3582 mortise lock on an aluminium frame door which somebody has pushed beyond the limits of the frame, and it was never probably fitted properly. You can see that this door should be behind this, and this should be its butt stop, but it won't, and somebody's gone straight past it. So this is some sort of flexible. So I thought I'd try my luck here with my air wedge and see if we can get some sort of movement going in here to push this back. And I don't like any of this. It's got glass on either side, so that's given it taking a little bit of pressure off. Still got a whole heap of pressure here. I'm hoping I can just stretch and push this back without anything breaking. I'm hearing a lot of creaking. It's not really a desirable job. Can't get anything in there. My little crowbar. Hope it's going to do me well today. So you've got glass either side. Just trying to get a little bit of flex going. That looks good. Maybe I can just work it back. Of course, if we break the glass, we're going to be in a whole world of trouble. It's extremely expensive. That seems to be working it back a bit. I've actually skipped the whole piece of aluminium there. Aha, I think we got it. So you saw how badly buckled that was. So that's not too bad. It's not too bad. I mean, I don't know how they managed to jump above a 16 to 18 mil lip. Okay, what to do? Well, we don't want it happening again. I mean, that was so risky there. We could have broken glass. Safety glass, 3 mil or whatever it was. It was a real risk of breaking the glass on that one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a blocker plate over that, so there's no way that can ever do that again. I mean, the blocker plate's normally to block people from digging at the latch, but in this scenario, I can't trust the frame. Have a look at the way that this frame's made up. And it's got a big churn out of it here. This is wood, which will expand, and watch this. Look at that, the whole thing's moving. Okay? The whole thing's moving. So I think the best idea, blocker plate. Okay, so this is the product. This is a BDS BP 6860M blocker plate to suit mortise lock, and this is a 3582, so it's going to go around here, and it's going to guarantee that this door does not go past that flimsy piece of aluminium, which is very flexible and held on with Tek screws. So we're going to put that straight over the top. Now this part is available from our lock shop if you want to buy one of these. Normally it's used to protect people from jimming the lock and things, but in this scenario it's going to work very well as a bump stop. So they're not that expensive, and I'm guaranteed to never have this problem again. Okay, so now the door closes on. One thing I didn't notice is this one's a little bit bigger than normal, but there's no way that's going to happen again now. It's missing that last little bit of latching now because it's hitting down here, so we might just turn this up just a fraction, back that off, see how that looks. Looks like we're missing something there. Okay, one thing about these cutters is with aluminium, they block up like this. That's why I was not cutting. So I need to remove it now. And it's as hot as it can be. Luckily they're not too expensive. Here's another one from eBay. And that's ready to go. Back in there. Okay, let's go see what the difference is.
Once again, thanks for watching, and if you like any of this content, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe on the mobile or on the phone just by pushing that little red button. If you do that, you get to see all the latest things we've got coming out. Often it's mainly to do with locksmithing and DIY locksmithing. If you've got any suggestions for videos as well, please leave a comment. We're always happy to see the comment. And that big circle button up there, you can push that to subscribe, and then you'll see everything that we're doing and all the new products available. Thanks for watching.